A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark decision, the High Court of Australia has ruled that an Aboriginal Land Council will take control of the long-abandoned Paddington Bowling Club in Sydney. This ruling comes after years of legal battles, with the High Court narrowly deciding in a 3-2 split that the rent paid on the site by the club's owner since its closure in 2015 was insufficient to prevent an Aboriginal land claim. The Paddington Bowling Club, once a vibrant hub for lawn bowls, last hosted games in 2015. Since then, the future of the Crown Land site has remained uncertain, caught in a web of legal disputes between state and local land councils and the club's owners. The High Court's ruling is significant as it clarifies that under New South Wales law, Crown land cannot be claimed if it is lawfully used or occupied. The court stated, properly construed, land is only used if, when the claim is made, the land is physically deployed for a purpose. This decision has been hailed as a critical victory for Aboriginal land rights in New South Wales, quelling fears that it would drastically alter the framework established over the past 40 years. Raymond Kelly, chair of the NSW Aboriginal Land Council, emphasized the ruling's importance, stating, "This is not just a small win on a land rights claim. This is a win for common sense and justice for Aboriginal people. It holds the line in NSW and sends a message right across the country." The ruling is expected to expedite the resolution of approximately 30,000 undetermined land claims across the state. Local state MP Alex Greenwich expressed optimism about the site's future, stating, "This site has been disrespected by the current leaseholders and left derelict for far too long." The original 50-year lease for the bowling club was signed in 2010, intended for community and sporting club facilities. However, following the club's closure, the lease changed hands multiple times, with the current lessee failing to utilize the land effectively. A previous attempt to construct a childcare center on the site was unsuccessful, leading to further stagnation. The NSW Aboriginal Land Council initially filed a land claim in 2016, which was approved by the state minister in 2021, only to be overturned by the NSW Court of Appeal in 2024. The court had ruled that merely paying rent constituted use of the land, a decision that was contested in the High Court. Justice Jane Jago, supported by Chief Justice Stephen Gagler and Justice James Edelman, argued that the lessee's actions did not reflect actual use of the land, stating, "To the contrary, the lessee was merely maintaining the lease to avoid forfeiting it while it worked out what, if any, future use could be made of Lot 5. With the High Court's ruling now in favor of the La Perouse Local Aboriginal Land Council, the council is set to determine the future use of the Paddington site. The decision marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing struggle for Aboriginal land rights in Australia, reinforcing the importance of genuine use and occupation in land claims. As discussions around the land's future begin, the local community and stakeholders are hopeful for a development that honors the site's cultural significance while addressing the needs of the Aboriginal community. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.